Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pusheen sitting in a pot of gold for St. Patrick's Day. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the top of the pot with a curve across the middle. Now from the ends, let's curve it down and back in on both sides. And now curve across the bottom to close it off. Next, let's hop underneath and move in, and let's draw a curve down on the left, and the same thing on the right. And now curve across the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the pot. Next, let's move up and draw some coins inside. Let's start off in the center here, and let's draw a curve over to the right, and then over to the left. And now let's draw two more on both sides. Now on top, let's add Pusheen. Let's start on the outside coins and draw a curve up on both sides. Then let's curve it down for the ears, and then a curve across the middle. Now let's move inside and draw Pusheen's face. Underneath in the middle, let's draw a line down and then curve it back up. And the same on the right and on the left. Now let's hop down and add the mouth. We'll start with a curve down to the left and down to the right. Now let's add the eyes on both sides with a circle. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's hop to the sides and add the whiskers. Let's draw two curves on the right and two on the left. And lastly, let's add a 4-leaf clover on top of the head. Let's start with a small line up. Then let's draw the first leaf, and then work our way around, ending up with 4 of them. And that's it for Pusheen. Next, let's add some extra details. On the bottom left, let's draw a sideways oval for a coin. And then 2 more on the bottom right. Now let's add some sparkle stars. On the right side, let's draw 2 curves down. And then again, 2 more going down this way. And now let's do the same thing on the left side here. And then 1 more below it. And lastly, let's draw a rainbow coming out from the top. Let's start next to the left ear, and let's draw a curve up and behind the clover. Then another one from the right ear, and then 2 more curves below it. And that's it for this pot of gold Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!